Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Buick Enclave. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely to avoid distractions. Then, navigate to your infotainment system's home screen. From there, you'll need to find the Settings menu. Once inside Settings, look for the Bluetooth or Phone option to initiate the pairing process. This initial step sets the stage for a seamless connection, allowing you to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming. Now, let's get your device paired. On your Enclave screen, select Pair Device or Add Phone. Simultaneously, grab your mobile device and ensure its Bluetooth is turned on. Your phone will start searching for nearby devices. When you see Buick Enclave or a similar name appear on your phone's list, tap it to select. This action sends a pairing request, moving us closer to a successful connection. Almost there, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Buick Enclave screen. Double-check that these numbers match exactly. If they do, confirm the pairing request on both devices. This final confirmation establishes the Bluetooth connection. Once connected, you can explore the audio and call settings within your Enclave system to customize your hands-free experience, ensuring clear calls and enjoyable music. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to simply restart both your mobile device and your Buick Enclave's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old pairings from both your phone and the car can also resolve connection problems. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. With these tips, you should be enjoying seamless Bluetooth connectivity in your Buick Enclave in no time, making your drives more convenient and entertaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.